Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First we need to turn on the watch, so let's press and hold the upper button and keep holding it for a couple of seconds. Then we can release the upper button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, like this. Now, find the language you like to use on your watch and select it. I'm gonna select English, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you should see the QR code on the screen. This means we need to download and install the Mi Fitness, I believe, Mi Fitness, yeah, application on our Android phone. And you can do it in two ways. You can either scan the QR code with the camera app and get the download link that way, or you can open the Play Store on your phone. In the Play Store you can tap on search, type in Mi Fitness, and then tap on search. And you should see this application, Mi Fitness by Xiaomi Wear. Now let's tap on the install button to install it and wait. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Okay, now it's a good time to check if the Bluetooth is enabled on our phone. So let's open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. And as you can see, on my phone the Bluetooth is enabled, but if it's disabled on yours, please enable it, because you won't be able to pair the devices without Bluetooth. Okay, so once the Bluetooth is enabled, let's go to the app, and now in the app we can tap on the start button. Here we can tap on agree. Now we need to select the region, and you can do it by tapping on here. This will open the list of regions, and you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen, and now find the region you want to select and tap on it, for example United Kingdom, and then tap next. And once you select the region, you should see the health page of the app. Now tap on the device icon, tap on add device, and this will redirect you, or rather you will get the pop-up that you need to log in into Xiaomi account if you're not logged in yet. So you need to tap on sign in, and this will redirect you to the login page. But as you can see, first we got the pop-up about the permissions, and you can allow the permissions to contacts and stuff like that. You can allow them or deny them according to your preferences. I'm just gonna allow them, but if you want to deny them, you can also deny them. So let's tap on add device again. We're gonna tap on sign in, and now it should, now it's gonna redirect us to login page, and here you need to log in into Mi account. You can also create a new account by tapping on create account if you need to, or sign in via SMS. I'm just gonna log in into mine account, so I'm gonna tap right here, type in the email address, and then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. Once you're done entering the email and password, you will need to check this box right here that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then you can tap on sign in. Oh, give me a second. Okay, I got it. And once you log in, you should see the add page, right? And here let's find the Xiaomi Watch S1 on the list, right here. Tap on it to select it. Now tap on agree. Now we can allow or deny the location for the other permission for the location, my bad. I recommend to allow it, but you can also deny it if you want. I'm gonna allow it. Let's wait. Then tap on agree. Tap on continue. Tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm. In the app, we can tap on next to go through the tutorial how to use the watch. Then done. And here we can enable recommended features. We can enable the app notifications and incoming calls by checking the boxes. If you check the boxes, you probably will be asked to allow the more permissions. If you uncheck the boxes so you don't want to use these features, you will simply need to tap dismiss to skip this step. I'm just gonna check them, tap on settings, and as you can see, it's gonna redirect us to different pages like notification access, for example. So if you want to use the notifications on your watch, you need to allow the app for the notification access. So we need to tap on settings. It's gonna redirect us to this page. On this page, we need to tap on Mi Fitness, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now we can tap on the back button to go back to the app. And now we can enable and disable the notifications for different apps, as you can see. Basically, by tapping on the switch next to the app, you want to enable or disable. And once you're done customizing your notifications, you can tap on done button. And next we can allow or deny the permission for calls. So you will need to tap on allow rather, if you want to allow the permissions and get the notifications about calls on your watch, or you can also deny it by tapping on deny. I'm gonna tap on allow, and now the features are on. As you can see, we can tap on done, and we can also turn on the sync. So basically, to sync the workout and fitness data on all devices, if you want to, you can tap on OK. If you don't, tap on cancel. Okay, let's go to our watch, and as you can see, the watch is ready to use. And we have the device page for our Xiaomi Watch S1. And that's how you pair this watch to the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.